Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating where Word says you can't make this change. That tells you the selection is locked. Open Review, then restrict editing to see active restrictions, because protection is the most common cause. Once done, toggle Track Changes off and accept or reject outstanding edits, since those can prevent edits. Also inspect for form fields or content controls. They restrict selection by design. Make sure to note whether the document is read-only, protected with a password, or uses section-level protections. Now remove the mechanisms locking the selection. If Restrict Editing is enabled, click Stop Protection and enter the password if you have it. That action immediately restores editability. If content controls or form fields remain, go to Developer and toggle Design Mode, then delete or convert those controls so normal text is selectable. For section-specific locks, inspect section breaks and adjust permissions. Make sure to update headers and footers too. Once controls are gone, Confirm Track Changes is off. Finish by saving a fresh copy and testing edits. Saving avoids altering the original during troubleshooting. If the selection is still locked, select All, Copy, and Paste as plain text into a new document to strip hidden protection or corruption, because that often clears stubborn locks. If copying fails, use File right arrow open, and repair, or upload to Word Online to bypass local restrictions. One key troubleshooting tip. If a password protects the document and you don't have it, request it from the owner rather than using third-party cracking tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.